This video has 4 or 5 different parts to it, so try and watch the whole thing because there's a lot of helpful hints here. The first thing I'm talking about is how to sharpen your woodless pencils, what to do with the woodless pencil when you sharpen it, how to use a stump with the graphite, how to draw with the stump, and how to sharpen the stump. It's not a long video, but I think you'll find this information is quite helpful. I've had people ask me how to sharpen woodless pencils. Woodless pencil is basically all graphite with none of the normal wood that you see on the ends. And I tell people, whatever you do, don't put them into a pencil sharpener because you're losing a lot of this extra lovely graphite that you're getting. One of the things that I suggest to my students is go to the back page of your sketchbook and then tape the corner down right here, tape it here and here, and then to sharpen your pencil, just hold it carefully and put a lot of graphite on here. And if you're trying to make a flat side, work on it for a while, and you're probably thinking, why would I do that? Well, I will show you. You're getting these nice flat sides, but one of the things that when you're doing some other work, for example, when you're doing the glow, you need to use paper, or say you're wanting to draw with a stump. This is what a stump is, and it's basically high density roll of paper. You can actually go to the back of the page, pick up some of the graphite, and draw light lines. So what will I draw? I don't know. Draw a candle, I guess, by using the graphite at the back of the page and your stump. Now, all about stumps is stumps do come in many different sizes, so depending on how much area you want to actually use, they often will come in a kit. Here's your stumps, these sizes. So that's how I like to sharpen my woodless pencil. Now, how do you sharpen the stump? Again, I never draw with my stump on the point because it will take that point off. I always draw or do the shading on the side. So you can see here, I'm going on the side of the stump, but sometimes it does get matted down. I loaned it out to one of my students and I got this bushy end because they had done it this way. So when you buy stump kits, they will have many times these little pads, and it's a series of very fine sandpaper. So how to clean up the end of your stump is you hold it and pressing quite hard. You want to go from the point and pull it away from the point, and just go all the way around the stump this way. To get that point back there. Now, if you push into it, you're going to fray the end because, as I said before, it is rolled paper. So that's a little bit of information on how to make your drawing easier by using your woodless pencil and your different stumps to help with the blending. Please subscribe and share with your friends. We're trying to do a lot more work on drawing and painting this season, so I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.